up, everyone? Supposed to storm tonight, so we're on our way to Menards to see.
¿Qué huele, chavos? ¿Cómo están, chavos?
So, if I can't find anything to use, I think I'm gonna just buy a shit ton of fucking swimming pool noodles and tie them all together and strap it on top of the car.
You gotta do it quick though, because that it's about to rain in a few minutes.
It's been thundering a lot. The water's about to come down. I don't know how long we got. Did you see that little wing on it?
Doesn't that cloud almost look like Mexico?
Stupid.
Does it not? That one right there?
Oh, that.
Huh? Can't say it doesn't.
Years. Look how dark it is over there.
Huh?
Look how dark it is.
That's where the storm is coming from.
Oh! Sprinkling. Remember when I got the car back from getting painted?
Yep.
And like, what was it, like maybe a week or two after I got it back, it hailed.
Yep.
Got a little bit of hail damage on my hood. Man,
Roof too.
so much for some fresh body work and paint, huh?
Cinco de Mayo. Cinco de Mayo storm. That's what it is. Cinco de Mayo.
Give you some mayonnaise.
Cinco de Mayo days.
They're having a tattoo convention.
Evo 9.
Guys, we pulled up to Menards. About to see what we can find. About to just buy a shed for my car.
A shed?
Where should we look?
What are you looking for?
I don't know, anything. Maybe I should buy a shit ton of
Towels?
Nah, they're probably too expensive. Yeah, they're too expensive. Damn, this one, I don't know.
What would be?
Some moving blankets. Where do they have moving blankets?
I don't know. Should ask. One of those should be good enough. No?
I don't know.
Throw it on top.
We're on the race against the clock. Look. Fucking cat bed.
You stupid.
Oh, you know where the moving blankets might be?
Where?
Over in that corner over there, I think, right?
I don't know.
Look, we should just buy them lawn chair cushions. Look how my friend walks.
Fuck you, dude. I fucked up my ankle.
It's getting old. It's from age. Look, this would definitely work real good. Nice and cushiony.
Fucking buy them, dude. They're like $20. They're like $50 each.
Oh, fuck that. $60.
$30.
Oh, that's just one little cushion.
Get one of these, dude. We should get this and build it real quick. Just put your car right there, bam.
We can't. Storm will take it away, man.
Nah,
Damn,
dude.
120 bucks
For what?
for the gazebo. Oh, nine
It's a cover.
there. 999.98. Gotta look. What the hell?
Wow, dude.
Plywood yard buildings.
Thank you.
For that? Moving blanket. How much are these? $5.99?
Yeah. You just gonna grab them all? How many are you gonna get?
I think I'm gonna take 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I think some rope so I can tie it.
Take one more, just
Huh?
in case.
What?
Take one more just in case.
They fucking slipped.
You're a little slippery.
That's what she said. Alright guys, I'm gonna buy some moving blankets and some rope.
Rope right here, my guy.
What kind of rope should I get?
This is the cheapest shit, dude.
$7.99? Right there, $5.99.
This is $3.99.
That's probably not enough, is it?
50 feet.
You think that's enough to go
Get
around?
2 of them. Still cheaper.
This one's 100.
That's 100 feet?
Yeah.
Oh, that's 2 of these then. We'll just get that. Alright.
Alright, we got the rope, we got the moving blankets. I think we're set. About to go pay. See you guys at the house. Alright guys, so we're back at home. I think it's about to start raining. So we gotta hurry up and get this shit done.
Let's try with 3 first.
Let me grab the rope. Grab the rope.
Where's the scratches you paint, dude? Fuck it.
I ain't gonna scratch it.
Damn, this is tiny.
I think we're gonna need all 5.
Yeah. I think we might even need more.
More than 5?
Maybe.
Trying to put out the other side.
Trying to cover the whole thing, right? Well, yeah, but I'm saying like. Shit, might need one more. Fine. Look at this fucking guy. All because we can't move the Evo to put it inside. Right?
Yeah, somebody come move it.
Somebody call you pull it. Somebody come call the junkyard.
It's been here for like a whole month now.
Ah, you had enough, my guy. Gee.
you have duct tape so we can just take this?
No, no tape. Hell yeah, that works.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Oh shit, it's hanging out way more on this side than the other side.
Is it?
Yeah. Should be alright.
Most of it. We tucked it in through the windows and closed the doors. Now we just gotta tie the back down so it don't fly nowhere. I think I'm gonna make some holes on this and zip tie it together so they don't fly away.
Zip tie in the corner?
Yeah, make little holes and then zip tie. Don't stab the car though.
Oh, I almost stabbed myself.
This guy. Got the handy dandy zip ties right here.
They're called cable ties.
My bad. Cable ties. But we all call them zip ties.
Just kidding.
Because they zip. Zip.
How do they go?
Zip. Listen.
A la verga, it's about to start to rain.
Hopefully there's enough like cushion.
Should be.
I don't know, it's starting to feel a little thin.
Should be alright, dude.
Let's hope so.
Let's pray to Jesus.
You can pray to Jesus. Imagine if you cut yourself as you look this way.
I almost did. Damn, dude, you just spent $100 on these and we're just cutting them? For a good cause, right?
Yeah, for a good cause. Car's more important than money. Nice and easy. Neighbors have a lot of cars, dude.
Yeah, they do.
I have like 6 cars.
I wonder how many people live there, dude.
Now we just tie this down or what?
Tie it around?
Oh, maybe I should pop the trunk and tuck these in right here. Nah, then it'll pull it up.
Why don't we just do the bottom? Just like that.
Fortunately, I can't cover the sides, so let's hope that the hail comes straight down instead of from the sides.
You're gonna have to zip tie these.
That means we can tuck these ends under the hood too. Nah, but then it won't protect the headlights. Can't damage those headlights. Alright guys, so I bought 5 moving blankets. We made holes and zip tied them together so that they don't fly off. So got a zip tie there, there, up there. Then we tied it down on the front on both corners. Goes under the car all the way around and it comes to this corner right here. So now I just gotta pull this in and it'll undo it. Got these ends tucked in under the windows. And then got zip ties from here going across. Tied this the same way as the front. Goes under the car, comes out the other end. It's right there. Hopefully these blankets help out a little bit. They're not as thick as I wish they would be, but it's better than nothing, right? So at least we're trying something. Trying is better than doing nothing. I couldn't, the doors are exposed, so unfortunately if it does hail, my doors are gonna have some sort of damage done to them. Let's hope it doesn't hail. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.